Hello there, everyone. So, as I told you, we are going to look in the custom properties of widgets. How you can add, custom properties here. Let's say how to add a new header, like general, like KPI settings or something, and add to text box where we can enter some value like title and this value itself, and we can make it. So this is a very good KPI I made. uh, so I'll save this. I'll go through my properties. It is very simple. Look, there is a edit icon here. Hit on this. Now you will see some items here. Just forget the data here for now. The items here, you just need to drag and drop here. Drag and drop, that's it. Hit on settings and you can change the title to KPI settings for now. Okay, and you have to expand it. Don't forget to expand it and add content to this header. So I need an input field 1 and input field 2. Hit on the settings. Now this pop up, this is very necessary, so you need to know a basic about this. So what does this property does? So it has some default values, reference, label and code. So what it is, label is the label of your text box. Default value is what value you have to give it default. So, okay, what is the default value for it? Reference is nothing but the ID for that text box. Obviously it is an ID, so it should be unique uh, through that extension or through that widget, sorry. So you cannot add to one or more property with the same name. You cannot, you would just need to add one property, one ID to a single property. You cannot add it to another name. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll say uh, I just sorry, title. I'll give it default value. Title. What will be the title? KPI title will be my way. Okay. You just need to say done, and it will be changed. Same with the value property. Value done. Hit on done. Save. Don't forget to save it by Control S or to this button. Now you have saved this, but you have not linked these over here itself. So if you know about AngularJS, you can do it by adding braces here. Okay, two curly braces. Then add settings. Okay, so in settings, as you can see, you have title, subtitle, and footnote, which is here. Okay, I'll say settings dot, okay, KPI title. Okay, it is not coming, it is fine. So what you can do is you can hit on edit settings. You just need to hit on this add curly braces, copy this and paste it here. So it is not coming because it is a default text, so you need to change it once. Okay, that's it. Okay, same with the values. So I'll copy this, I'll paste it here. Values, value. Okay, values here. Okay, so you can obviously find that into the edit item. You can add the braces, you can copy this and you can paste it where you want. So this is the basic KPI. Okay, so I'll move towards my dashboard. I'll refresh this page. Now I'll add what I need to add. So I need sales, which is around, let's say, 3500. Perfect. Right. It's dynamic. Now let's say you want to add a custom expression here. So what you can do is you have to add equal to 30 plus 500. So it's give you that number. So it is evaluating right now. See. Okay. So if it is evaluating by equal to, you can even write your aggregations like sum of, I have sales, I think. Yeah, I have sales. Sum of sales, and I have my sales here. I'll go to fields, I'll take a zone out, and just voila. See, it is now interactive, it is now functional, and it is exciting to do at the same time. So for the next session, so this is actually your task. So you need to make a custom KPI like this. You need to add a title and a value. Same I can do with this also, but still for your task, you need to add a title or same, and try to add a color option here, like this value, that color for your sales, that is for your title, and color for your expression. If your expression is less than 0, then give me red. If summer sales is more than 0 or more than a value, give me green. Let's say that's the case. So if you can try that case, it is very it will be very useful. If you know what, I'll write it on the notepad. So task 1 will be, let's say, KPI object, using HTML and obviously CSS. Okay, then you need to add properties like one will be title, then value, color option, color text box, basically it should be a text box, background, color, text box, and font size for both header and value. Same for header and value, okay. So this is your task 1. If just in case you are able to finish this task 1, then your task 2. Okay, task 2, what can we add is more than one. This should be one KPI object. I'll just copy this, I'll paste it here. I'll say 2 KPI objects, and I'll add option, a note that into one widget. And if I mean into one widget, that means I'll just say a new tab. I'll say bootstrap edit template images. Let's say. You can make something like this also. This is very nice. You know what? We'll make something like that. I need more than one. You can make this. Yeah, perfect. I like this. So I'll take an image in tab. What about this? How about this? One measure, one value, second value, percentage value. Okay. You have to use num function. You can use num to format it. So this is a very good example. You can make a progress bar, a simple progress bar like this, and a value here and a title. So this is a very good example. So in the next session we are going to make this example. Okay, if you are not able to solve this, or if you are not able to solve this, so if you are not able to solve this, then in this next session we are actually going to make this itself, so it will be cleared. So stay tuned and please practice. Thank you.